So what is ISA? It's basically a modern replacement for the classic LS. And what we're going to use it today for is to list files and directories, but also add clear formatting, colors, icons, maybe Git awareness, because that also is something that you can do with ISA, and better defaults, so you can understand directory contents basically faster. So at its core, ISA reads directories and just display them for you. And if you want to know about all the things that ISA does, you can know that it's special because it takes everything that you know about LS and improves it. And for example, it adds icons, color, enhanced outputs, group directories, and Git integrations, and sometimes even more detailed metadata like permissions, size, user, date modified things, and name, and anything else like also is something that you can configure. So it's up to you what you want to show and what not. So I'm gonna show you something here. I'm on Arch Linux, and I'm using Dank as a UI with Wayland. It's actually really pretty cool. Let me show you some tricks here. Like you can change this and have like really nice themes with a really good UI if you are not used to Linux. But yeah, do not jump to another topic. Let's go back to ISA. So this is actually my simple ISA configuration, and as you see, I don't have much. I just had my new PC done, so formatted with Linux, and I think this is not that I set up. I don't remember these. I don't even remember setting up, but I do remember this for path and this for MVM. As I am a web developer, this is for all my posh or whatever how you say it, and this is for the ISA configuration. And then goes Zeoxide. Zeoxide is actually also a good thing, maybe another video. Okay, so you see here that I configured my aliases and they look really pretty cool. Let me actually tell you what it does here. So if you see this one here, this LL, it adds a detailed view with permissions basically. So it can say, hey, show me the or group file directories first, and then AL will say group permissions as well and file sizes, and give me some Git status if there is. There is also the LA part, which is I think I actually don't use it here, or am I? There is one of them that you can use as well. It's called LA, which shows the hidden files, all the dot files. But funny enough, I actually use it here because I put the A in LL on LS and LT, which means that it will always show me the hidden files along the standard other files. So yeah, these are aliases that you need to know. So A for hidden and L for maybe details. And honestly, I don't know much. I don't want to lie to you, but let's actually create one together. Or maybe let's add icons, because icons is something that we can do. So now if I go out and I do ls, it shows without icons. If I go back here and I just add one line, I'll jump to the F here, and I'll do icons equal always. So this is what you can do. As you see here, colors equal always. And the moment you get back and you source the bash, I think you need to source it, I'm not sure, and you do ls, but as you see here we have icons in front, which is really nice and clearer, right? So yeah, that's it. I mean, yeah, I really like it that way. And for me, nvim here looks really nice. Shows me like I have like some configuration that I stole from somewhere else, but it's also cool to know this. Anyhow, so let's do maybe bash rc and go here and do a small to do, which is the alias for LLA, which I also think I did before my dot files, and it's like the following. So it goes color equal always, and then it will take the color scale, which I didn't use before, and this one is also will be for all. Basically it takes all the colors. If there is like something that it knows, like Git or whatever, then it will color it like it know it, as it know it's in Git or whatever. And then you can find like whatever scale you want to do. In my case here, the scale can be gradient, and the icons are always, And what else can we choose here? Actually, I think we can do grouping, right? So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna do group by directories that I used before. Actually, group directories first. I'm gonna show hidden files. I'm gonna show also the permissions and stuff, but I'm gonna add git here, and I'm gonna add this H for history, which probably will give me more about the files and how, where and when they were created. So then let's do that. Actually, it doesn't work, so I need to figure out why, which is assertion probably. And then LLA. Actually, it doesn't. I actually think I forgot the best keywords here, which is ISO. And let's check it out. No, actually, it seems like everything is cool here. Maybe there is a oopsie, right? The color scale is there. We chose gradient, and then we did a color scale all in the beginning. Oh, color scale. Oh, okay. I think this one here. Next, I think here this should be mode, right? And this should be equal. Good that we are actually trying to debug this together now, because this makes us all know how the configuration works and when they work also. So I did no selections there. I'm gonna source and I'm gonna try now, and it looks better. So now as you see, we have some gradients here. We have like some different colors, but not so much different from LS, I think. But yeah, there is a bit of difference here in the size part, and also here in the, what is it called here, the date modified. Yeah, it gives like better colors over here, maybe because this is a bit old, so it goes like dark blue, and hidden files are white, and yeah, the videos are still the same. So all good. I think this is really nice, and it makes a really good difference if you're gonna use it. Try it out. ls ll ld for directories only. This helps a lot if you want to see only directories. This shows a difference where ls actually, so you actually, I have lf for files only. No, actually I don't use, or files first I think. But yeah, so that's it about ISO. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.